Accessories: long screws, U-shaped angle iron, long self-tapping screws, short screws, hammer head. Hex key tool, small self-tapping screws, fixing pieces, angle iron, screwdriver. Notice: hammer head flat side facing up. Small hole on hammer head side and small hole on sheet metal side in the same direction. Insert the hammer head. Find the short screws. Connect the bed legs and the headboard. Notice: the slant edge of the bed leg faces up. Use short screws to fix the headboard panel. Install the bed leg on the other side and fix it with short screws. Find the long self-tapping screws. Align the holes and install the pull rod. Make sure the pull rod is flush with the upper edge of the bed leg bevel. Use long self-tapping screws to secure the pull rod. Install the pull rod on the other side and secure it with long self-tapping screws. Effect display: flip the backrest with the back side facing up. Lay the headboard frame down with the backrest backside. Pay attention to the bed legs. The top does not protrude from the bed backrest. Pay attention to the connection between the bed leg bevel and the backrest. Insert angle iron at the connection of the pull rod, bed leg, and backrest. Find the small self-tapping screws. Use the small self-tapping screws to fix the angle iron. Installation effect: install the back panel using small self-tapping screws to fix the back panel. Place the hammerheads into the small holes at both ends of the bed tailboard. Find the long screws. Notice: the small holes on the side of the bed legs are near the outside. Use the long screws to fix the bed tailboard. Install the bed leg on the other side. Place the hammerheads into the small holes at both ends of the bedside rails. Arrange the bed frame as shown in the picture. Pay attention to the bed rail direction facing down. The headboard connects with the bed rail. Use long screws to fix the headboard and bed rail. Use short screws to fix the footboard when installing. Install the other side bed rail and fix with long screws. Find the fixing piece. Arrange the keel and keel support legs properly. Use small self-tapping screws to install the fixing plate, connecting the keel and the keel support leg. Install the fixing plate on the other side. Flip the keel over and place it to install the fixing plate on the back. Use the first installed keel and keel support leg as a reference. Continue to install the remaining keel and keel support legs in the corresponding positions accordingly. Find the U-shaped angle iron. The U-shaped angle iron is flush with the keel. The screw holes face outward. Use small self-tapping screws to fix the U-shaped angle iron. Continue to install the other side. Install the keel in sequence according to the positioning holes on the bed frame. Use small self-tapping screws to install the U-shaped angle iron to the side of the keel. Continue to install the other side. Install in sequence to the positioning holes on the bed frame. Evenly place the bedboards in sequence. Install the bedboards. Leave about 1 centimeter of gap on both the head and tail sides. Both ends of the bedboard are used. Fixed with long self-tapping screws. Installation effect display.